This is Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer all your frequently asked questions about sliding doors and windows. You should be very concerned about durability when choosing a sliding door. Should you choose an aluminum or should you choose a steel sliding door? Aluminum is naturally corrosion resistant. When dealing with steel, you will have to powder coat or zinc coat to protect the metal from rusting in the future. This is the reason why we chose to build our sliding doors using aluminum, anti-corrosion. Aluminum is about 1/3 of the weight of steel. That's why you will see many commercial and residential applications using an aluminum product versus a steel product. Both materials can last decades, but aluminum will last much longer in a humid or coastal environment. With aluminum, it's going to be about 1/3 of the weight of the steel. So that's the purpose we enjoy using aluminum. The second reason is the expansion and contraction rate of steel versus aluminum. With aluminum, it's very, very minimum. You will always see aluminum in commercial projects, high rises, and a lot of residential. If you'd like to learn more, please visit www.lovethatdoor.com.